Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to look back with Sqlite. So alright, last time we were working with the select statement, we learned how to use Fetch1. There are two more. The one we're going to look at with today is Fetchmany. So alright, let's just jump right to it. So our database is opened. We have a cursor object with an execution and a select statement. So let's just take a look right here. So okay, the last one was fetch1. Fetches one row where it left off. It's just like the next function. It will grab the next iteration, the next row. No matter how many there are, it will only grab one and it'll grab the next one. So we will look at this. So let's just come back here. So this is why this is so important. If you're new here, thanks for joining us. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Fetch1. Okay. Cursor fetch 1. So, and then now we're going to do Fetchmany. Cursor fetch many. Now it defaults to just one, but here cursor dot, and if you look, it's just going through. So all right. I think there was only 4. And then you put the number of rows that you want. So okay, there were only 4, so it will only give you the remainder. But this is how this works. So let's do con close. Okay, let's run this again. Okay. And I want you to see this. So fetch many 2. It's going to grab 2 of them. Then if we do fetch 1, just going to grab the next one available, and then we'll do cursor or cur dot fetch many, and we'll do 5, and there should be just 1 left. So con dot close, because that's good. So I went slow. I wanted to do this one at a time so you could see it. So this is how Fetchmany works. And there's one last one, and we'll touch on that the next time we come through. But this is a very, very powerful tool. So you now know how to iterate through and do one at a time, and to do them in groups. And that is one of the most that's one of the powerful tools about this with Sqlite. It's unbelievably powerful, and we'll just keep working on this. So as always, guys, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for commenting. The comments are just, I don't know, I love them. I love the feedback. I love the questions. I love the requests. When you guys request a video, it always does so much better than what I do. So thank you. I really appreciate it. So as always, guys, make sure we're clicking that subscribe button and the notification bell. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.